All right, guys, welcome back to a quick video update on my S22 Ultra. I don't recall how long I've had this, but it's been fantastic the entire time I've been using it. So I've gotten several updates since having this device, but I am on the May security patch. I got the May security patch about a week ago, probably, I guess. Let me see here. It's on the May 1st security patch, and other than it having the May security patch, the phone has been fantastic. Outside of that, just regular day-to-day use, it's been really good. So no ifs, ands, or buts about performance. It's a good, solid performing device, and I don't think you'll have an issue with performance on this device because it is running one of the latest processors, and it's going to perform well for some years to come, more than likely. I don't know why you would this phone would drop off. It would have to be some serious hardware failures for this phone to not work for the next several years. You still have a menu that I rarely ever use, and this is side menu. Samsung has given this option to all of their Samsung devices now, so it's kind of crazy that you don't need to spend these high-end prices, these higher priced. Buy these higher priced phones in order to get that functionality. Now, you don't get the S Pen, even though some phones might have stylus input. Having the S Pen, being able to put it into the device and store it away for later use, or take notes with the screen off when you're at the grocery store or whatever. You just want to take a note. You want to write something down real quick. The phone's powered off, and you pull the S Pen, and then boom, you can start writing your note. Now, the accuracy of the S Pen is absolutely great. Look at that. When I say that, look how choppy that is. I don't know if it was because I just started to do it or what. I don't know, but that's horrible. I'm not going to edit that out either. But you can go in here to your pen and get a different color and everything. I think mine was defaulted to blue, and somehow it's on white. Maybe I was messing around with it. But as soon as I said, look how accurate it is. But yeah, normally it's fairly accurate like this. I really enjoy this S Pen, being able to do things, some as simple as jotting down a quick note really fast, or one of my things I like about the S Pen is my ability to use it with screen write. Now, obviously, screen write is my favorite of the options for the S Pen, because you can literally it takes a screenshot of wherever you are, and then in your phone. So if you're on a map or something like that, and you want to say meet me here, meet here. You put a little arrow or whatever you need to do. It's just a huge plus to having an S Pen. And again, it's really accurate. I really like it a lot. And the S Pen is probably should be one of your top reasons for purchasing this device. Because again, I've said it before, and I said again, you can definitely get some killer large phones at a lot lower price. I mean, like if you just want a big canvas, you could avoid this altogether if you wanted to. But this is a note, basically, and those who love the S Pen will gravitate more towards the S22 Ultra or keep their current note. Now, I do have it paired with my Galaxy Watch 4. I will be updating you on that as well. But having this for some months now, it's holding up very well. I've gone through several screen protectors. I've tried several screen protectors, and a lot of them just didn't work well. They peeled off. So this is in fact a Whitestone Dome that's on here right now. And this is, fun fact, this is actually the Whitestone Dome from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 Ultra has a 6.9 inch display, and this has a 6.8 inch display. But ultimately it fits the phone just fine with no issues whatsoever. I literally just put this on. See, wouldn't lie to you. Note 20 Ultra. I was my plastic Whitestone Dome that I had. It was peeling sometimes. It just was plasticky, so it started to get a bunch of marks on it. Because again, I have had this phone for some time, and so the Whitestone Dome, the plastic Whitestone Dome, the film one, those are actually really solid. It's just that this phone gets so much use. I was kind of rough on it, I guess, and I started to scratch it, and then I peeled it up on the edge, and I just ripped it off. And so looking through all my storage, I said, you know what? Here's a Note 20 Ultra, and I'm sure it should fit. So, you know, after checking the specs, the Note 20 Ultra just has a little bit bigger screen, but ultimately this goes on. So I just sealed it up, put it on, and here we are. And it's great. So screen brightness on this thing is just ridiculously good. This is a beautiful display. You should not have an issue with the display on this device, because we're talking about Samsung. We're talking about a company who produces just some of the best displays ever, and you should be okay with this one for content, media consumption, and or writing notes, or just multitasking, because you can do split screen and things like that. So overall, man, the May security patch hasn't changed really anything on the phone. I mean, it was already running smooth. I believe mine didn't get the April patch. Oh no, I did get the April patch. I was wondering, I couldn't remember if I skipped right from March to April, but I'm sure I think I was on the April patch. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful device. Quick update, no problems, folks. No heating, no nothing. The only thing that was kind of weird is when I did that camera comparison, and I took a portrait shot. There's the iPhone up there. I took a portrait shot. I use the iPhone so much for video, it's incredible. But I also use this device too. But I took a portrait shot, and it straight up just bombed that portrait shot on the first try. But nonetheless, you know, I think the video cameras is where this device shines. The director's view, the portrait video are two of my favorites. And also I use pro video as well. So most of the pro stuff, I guess you could say I use. Pro video is like my top that I use the most, because in here I can control the gains and everything, as you can see here, and I can move between all the modes here. So you can even do 8K at 24 frames per second. In the pro mode, you have access to your ultra wide, and so forth. And then also you have access to your microphone, where you can actually adjust for the rear, the front, however you want to do it. I think that's a huge plus. So, you know, the phone itself, I think it's going to perform well for quite some time. I shouldn't have any problems with it. I don't think that I will. I mean, unless I break it or something like that. Other than that, folks, this has been absolutely a fantastic experience. Like I said in another video, I don't miss my Z Fold 3, because I know I'm going to get another folding device, and it'll probably be the 4. You know what I mean? And the flip phone from Samsung as well. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick, straight to the point video. No issues with this phone, but I wanted to give you an update for the May security patch. I'll let you know that if you haven't updated yours, you can go ahead and update it, because it is available to update. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.